In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an eBay alert. If you're hunting for a hard to find item, tracking a good deal, or just want to be the first to know when something new pops up, an eBay alert can do the heavy lifting for you. It's simply a saved search that notifies you when new listings match the terms you care about, so you don't have to keep checking manually. Start by heading to eBay in your browser or the mobile app, and use the search bar at the top to type in the product you're looking for. Be as specific as you can. Include the brand, model, size, color, or other details that matter to you. The more precise your keywords, the more relevant your alerts will be. If it helps, add phrases in quotes for exact wording, or use a minus sign to exclude terms you don't want to see. You can also adjust filters like condition, price range, location, or auction versus buy it now to narrow things down before you save. Remember, whatever you set here is what your alert will use later, so refining it now saves time and keeps your inbox tidy. Once your results look right, look for the Save This Search option near the top of the results page. On desktop, it typically sits close to the search bar. On mobile, you might see a heart icon or a save button in a similar spot. Click or tap it. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to log in so eBay can store your alert to your account. After saving, the button will usually change to confirm it's saved, and you'll be given options to receive email updates or push notifications if you're on the app. Your alert is now active. eBay will send you updates when new listings match your saved criteria. If you want fewer emails, look for a frequency or notification toggle and adjust it to your preference. If you prefer to browse without notifications, you can keep the search saved and simply check it from your account under Saved, then Saved Searches whenever you like. A couple of quick tips to keep your alerts working well over time. If the results you're getting aren't quite right, refine your search terms or filters and save again to update the alert with the new settings. You can maintain multiple saved searches for different items and give each one a clear name so you know which is which. And when you're done tracking something, delete the saved search to stop receiving updates. That's it. Type your product into the search, save the search, and let eBay bring the new listings to you. Thanks for watching, and